In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Monica to Chrome. By the end, you'll have the Monica AI extension installed, visible on your toolbar, and ready to help with chat, summaries, writing, and more. First, open Google Chrome and head to the Chrome Web Store page for Monica. If you don't already have that page open, you can search for the Monica extension in the Chrome Web Store and select the official listing. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the extension's name, a clear description, and the Add to Chrome button. Click Add to Chrome. A small confirmation pop-up will appear to make sure you want to continue. Click Add Extension in that pop-up. Chrome will take a few seconds to download and install the extension in the background. You might notice a brief notification confirming that the installation was successful. Once it's installed, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the extension's icon. It looks like a little puzzle piece. This opens a small panel listing all of your installed extensions. Find Monica in that list. If you want quick one-click access going forward, click the pin icon next to Monica so it stays visible on your toolbar. Pinning keeps the icon available at all times, which makes it faster to open whenever you need it. At this point, you may be prompted to sign in or create a Monica account. Follow the on-screen steps to sign in or set up a new account if you're new. You may also be asked to grant permission so Monica can work on web pages where you want its assistance. Review the prompts and allow access where appropriate so features like web page summaries and writing help can function smoothly. With Monica added, you can start exploring its main features. Open the extension to chat with the AI, ask questions, or get ideas. Use it to summarize long web pages so you can understand the key points faster. It also helps with writing assistance from drafting to polishing your text and can translate content when you're working across languages. For even quicker access, try the shortcut Ctrl+M to bring up Monica without hunting for the icon. If you don't see the icon right away, double-check the extension's puzzle piece and make sure it's pinned. And if something doesn't seem to load, a quick page refresh often helps after a brand new install. That's it. You've successfully added Monica to Chrome and set it up for everyday use. Enjoy faster workflows, clearer summaries, and on-demand writing and translation support right from your browser.